Hello friends, today I will show you how to change the password on your X account. It is very easy to change, just watch the video till the end. Now let's move directly to my mobile screen. Open the X application on your device. Now click on your profile icon, which is on the right side, and then scroll a little bit and click on Settings and Support to expand. Then simply click on Settings and Privacy. Once you come to the settings page, click on your account and then simply click on Change Your Password. Here, enter your current password. However, if you have forgotten your password, then watch the video in the I button and the video description. Or you can click on Forgotten Your Password and then simply recover your password. After that, enter a strong new password here and then enter the same password here for confirmation. Now, simply click on Update Password. As you can see, the password has been updated successfully. If you found this video useful, then please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a good day.